A lot of people, when they choose a green for salad, will choose iceberg lettuce. But did you know that iceberg lettuce is not the most nutritious? We want to be moving more towards the darker green vegetables, like kale. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 recipes using kale. Those dark green leafy vegetables can be intimidating sometimes. But if you don't like it in one form, try another, because we want to get all the nutrition into our blood that we can. And dark green leafy vegetables are excellent for every part of our body. Alright, so here we have our bowl of kale. I bought some pre-chopped kale from Walmart. It was in a big bag, and I love using this. It's easy to just pull out and put in a salad bowl. And you might just have to pull out a few stems. Those can be pretty crunchy. I mean, maybe some people like them, but I pull them off. Next, we add an apple. We're gonna chop it up. Okay, now we're gonna add everything else to the salad. We have 1/3 cup of pecans and 1/4 cup of cranberries. So let's add the pecans and add the cranberries. And now the apple. Now we stir it together. Not too much, because we don't want everything to fall to the bottom. We've got some tahini dressing. I'll link the recipe in the description underneath this video. Just adds a really great texture to the salad and flavor. And that's our salad. Next, we're gonna make a smoothie. If you don't like the texture of greens at all, you can hide it in a smoothie. Today we're making a pineapple kale banana smoothie with some almond milk. And this is one of my favorite smoothies because it uses vitamin C food with the greens. And greens have iron, and iron needs vitamin C in order for it to do its thing in our body. First we add the banana, half a banana. Then we add the pineapple and then the kale. So this is about 1/2 cup of kale. Then we pour over the almond milk. Often blenders will come with a smoothie cup. So we have our Ninja smoothie cup here. It's much easier than the larger pitcher. It's the personal size, so you can just blend it up and then take it on the go. Okay, so here's the finished smoothie. Let's try it. It's definitely sweeter with the pineapple and the banana just brings smoothness to it, and it's a very refreshing drink. Next, we're going to the simplest way, if you want to say that, of making kale, steamed kale. I place the steamer on top of the pot, and a cup of kale. 1 cup is a serving. So then we just wait for it to boil. Steaming kale is the best way to cook it, because if you were to boil kale, that would cause some of the nutrients to go into the water, and so you'd lose some of that nutritional value. I personally just like it with salt, and it's a great side dish, obviously. So this is a simple, quick way to make kale. So that's the end of the video. I hope you found the recipe that you will enjoy. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, hitting the button below.